Guys, in this video we'll be creating the side bottom apron. It's this area here between the wheels, and that is connecting with the wheel arches. First of all, this side apron should continue that shape, so we have a evenly curvature here in this shape. Now we can extend the surface a little bit. As you can see here, I'm going to select the CVs in the last row, and then here I'm going to extend this line so we can see that I have enough geometry with the surface with the curve, and I'm going to take it to 30-degree curve and move the CVs a little bit down, and then we'll move them around. So just place some CVs here trying to follow the shape.